and welcome to The Global Learner. I'm Anna, and this is Ben.
Great to be here, Anna. Today we're tackling a huge question. Why should we bother learning English? We think the reasons go far beyond just passing a test.
Absolutely. I think the number one reason is simple. English is the world's connector. It's the closest thing we have to a global language.
Exactly. Think about your career. English is the default language for international business and technology. If you want a top job, you need it. About 90% of all scientific papers and economic reports are published in English.
And think about the internet. More than half the content online, the news, the best video tutorials, the university courses, is in English. Learning it doesn't just give you a new skill, it gives you unrestricted access to the world's most current knowledge.
It really opens doors. You move from being someone who waits for content to be translated to someone who gets the information first. It's about being competitive and being well-informed.
My favorite reason is personal growth. Learning any new language changes your brain, but learning English gives you incredible confidence. Imagine navigating a busy airport or leading a presentation in front of international colleagues.
That confidence is transformative. It turns you from a nervous spectator into an active participant in the global conversation. It lets you share your culture and your ideas directly, without needing a translator.
And that connection is key. It's the bridge that lets you make friends with people from every continent. That alone makes the effort completely worthwhile.
So, why should you be learning English? Because it's the best investment you can make in yourself. It opens your mind, opens your career, and opens your world.
Exactly. Don't wait. Start today. Thank you for tuning in to The Global Learner. We'll catch you next time.